specific.
Can you read for the record? 6.1.5.
6.1.5 of the Joint Circular, cash advances shall be limited to the requirements for 3 months. The disbursement voucher shall clearly state the duration of implementation of the projects. If the implementation of the project will extend to more than 3 months, additional amount may be granted only after the liquidation
Parang
of the
balintawak na rin
previous
to yung
cash
traffic
advance.
eh.
Dito.
If on the other
Dati
hand,
yun.
Gawa na kasi ng U-turn slot eh.
liquidation shall be done monthly. Cash advances shall be the same purpose.
Tanggalin nila yung
Project
U-turn
will be
slot.
given to the SDO because
Saka
the cash
ano yun
advance
lahat,
has been
papasok dyan ng
designated and proper accounting thereof was made in accordance with this joint circular.
Nocturno.
Ngayon naman, I will show you. Kasi liquidation ang pinag-uusapan. I will show you liquidation report dated January 10, 2023. Again, common exhibit. This is prosecution's exhibit P-1-9-A. A liquidation report dated January 10, 2023.
Dami nag-apply Seaman, no?
This document,
Simon ba yan?
Hindi, NLRC pala. Hindi, marami din ano dyan.
signature under the words certified
Tawag nito?
purpose of travel cash advance.
Yung pang ano, pang Seaman nga na agency.
Mr. Witness.
Ah,
And this certification,
Council, just to correct you, certified purpose of cash advance duly accomplished. There is no word travel.
Oo nga naman.
yes, Your Honor.
Do you confirm, Council?
Yes, Your Honor. Certified purpose of travel cash advance
Of cash advance.
of cash advance
Walang travel.
duly accomplished.
Yes. You may
Thank you
proceed,
for
Council.
the correction, Your Honor.
Tangga.
What does this mean in terms of your
Sikat lang yan si Lorna Kapunan, pero walang naipanalong ano.
Dismiss po na sinertify po ni Vice President
Walang
na
naipanalong
yung-
kaso.
yung cash advance ay kanilang na-accomplish.
Eh kasi nga gawa ng mga inawakang malalaking ano, kaso.
You said the Vice President. Whose signature is that?
Dapat.
Kasi hindi pa mga credible yung
Actually, it is one of the performa
Tinitingnan nila yung ano eh.
joint circular.
Kung sapat naman sila o hindi.
Siguro ang napansin ko lang dito ay yung period covered na December 21, 30, and to 31,
CBS,
2022 since the cash advance was supposedly for the fourth quarter
Traffic.
of the 2022 of the OVP. Pero other than that naman po, this document is compliant naman po with the requirement of the
sila
joint
Estelito
circular
Mendoza.
2021.
Para maintindihan naman,
veterans.
sabi mo ang